In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by locating an app code files that's already on your device. When you find it, click on it. Now choose those three lines at the top left corner. Hit clean over here. And finally tap on clean under junk files. Last but not least, confirm your choice by hitting clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my storage was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!